Hello everybody, in this video we are going to be looking at NMAP, which is a powerful tool. NMAP stands for Network Mapper, and it can be installed in any operating system, whether it's Linux, Windows or BSD. In Windows you got ZenMap, which is the GUI version, but we are here in Linux and we are going to be using it from the terminal. You can install it according to your distribution of the Linux. Let's start. Just type NMAP and then type in the host IP or domain here. So I have scanme.nmap.org to perform a test scan. It is official and I have permission. Everybody has permission to scan on it. So we are gonna be demonstrating this video on this host here. So if I just type nmap and scanme.nmap.org, it's gonna perform a basic nmap scan, which is gonna look for top ports to scan, and it's gonna tell us the port, state and its service. So more if you want some more details or such as versions of the services, you can use this switch, which is -sv and click on enter, and you will have another scan starting. So if you want to see the progress of scan, you can press any key from the your keyboard. So I'll press enter and it will tell me about 78.00% done. I will just press it again and it did not show me this time. If it does not show, it means like the scan is running smoothly. Here it told me versions now, so we have port, state, service and versions, so different versions of services running here. Now if you scan a target, target knows some information about you. For example, I scan an IP for a company, then the company will know that I'm performing an nmap scan. So if you want to be a little more anonymous, you can use this switch, which is -sc, actually is -ss, and just perform it. It requires root privilege, so I can do sudo and then enter my password. Now here what it does is it does not complete a three-way TCP handshake, so it's kind of more anonymous, and I will check the progress of our scan by pressing enter. It will take a little more time, okay, like 7, it's like almost done. So it did that same scan, but I'm a little more anonymous now, so it's just a security tip. You can use a lot of switches together. For example, let me just clear this one. For example, I want to scan for a specific port on nmap, so I will do nmap-p and then the port. So I want to scan for 22 port and I want to know the version of it, so I will just type -sv and then I'll do scanme.nmap.org, and now it's gonna look for port 22 only and the version. So we have port 22 and the version open in it, so you can perform it on different ports as well. So like for example, I want to perform it on port 22 and port 23. I'll just type a comma and port 23 after. It does not have port 23 open, which is telnet, it is closed. And for example, you want to perform a scan from port 22 to port 100, so I'll just type a dash and 100 and just press enter, and it should be scanning from port 22 and to port 100. This will be the range of it, so I'll wait for it. I'll just stop progress. I'll just check the progress. So yeah, between port 22 and port 100 we got 3 ports open: 22, 55 and 80. 55, which is SMTP, secure mail transfer protocol, it is filtered here. Okay, now for example, if you want to know the version of the operating system on a target, you can do nmap-o, which stands for operating system basically, and scanme.nmap.org, which is our host. So this requires admin access. I'll just press enter. It will be completed soon. These all are TCP scans, by the way. We are gonna be looking at UDP scans soon. A lot of time we don't need UDP scans because there are like not a lot of services on it basically, but it's important. So here it did OS scan and it says Linux and different version of Linux, you can see. Anyways, we are gonna be looking at our last scan, which is nmap -su and then scanme.nmap.org. It requires root admin access, so I'll just do this and it's gonna scan. So basically it does a UDP scan on this target. All previous scans were TCP, but this one is UDP-ST switch. As you can say like U is for UDP. It does a UDP scan and it's a very slow scan actually, so we are gonna wait for it to finish. Okay everybody, so around after 10 minutes it's completed the scan. Here it is now showing all the ports. It's opened. Here it's basically a UDP scan. So UDP scan takes a lot of time, but anyways, let's wrap the video. This was not a very detailed video of NMAP. If you want to learn NMAP in detail, you can go to try hack me NMAP room, but it is a very basic concept of NMAP, which is necessary for everyone. So I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys in another video. Goodbye.